Topic is Wiener filtering technique. Wiener filter comes under constraint filter. So what is the other name of Wiener filter? Minimum mean square error filter or a constrained filter technique. The in Wiener filtering technique, we are going to estimate the uncorrupted image f by minimizing the mean square error value. The error measure is given as e square is equal to capital E of f minus f cap whole square, where f is the uncorrupted image, f dash is or f cap is a restored image. So from the restoration model, the restored image f cap of x comma y is given as g of x comma y star r of x comma y, or g of x comma y into w of x comma y, where w of x comma y is the Wiener filter function. The restored image can be written in frequency domain f cap of u comma v equal to g of u comma v into w of u comma v, equation number 1. But equation number 2, w of u comma v equal to h star of u comma v into hf of u comma v divided by h of u comma v whole square into h of u comma v plus s eta of u comma v, where h of u comma v is the degraded function, h star of u comma v is the complex conjugate of h of u comma v, where h of u comma v whole square is the product of a degraded function and its complex conjugate value. S eta of u comma v equal to eta of u comma v whole square or n of u comma v whole square, which is nothing but power spectrum of the noise or noise power. Sf of u comma v is equal to f of u comma v whole square. This is the power spectrum of the undegraded image or signal power. So we are going to estimate uncorrupted image by using the minimum mean square error, E square. So we have taken three assumptions: noise and image are uncorrelated. Either noise or image has a zero mean value. Gray level in the estimation or linear function of the gray levels in the degraded image. Substitute equation number 2. Substitute equation number 2, that is w of u comma v value in equation number 1. We get f cap of u comma v is equal to h star of u comma v sf of u comma v divided by h of u comma v whole square sf of u comma v plus s at eta of u comma v into g of u comma v. This is equation number 3. But h of u comma v whole square is equal to h star of u comma v into h of u comma v, equation number 4. That is, in the denominator side, h of u comma v whole square is replaced by h star of u comma v into h of u comma v, and you have to simplify. We get h star of u comma v divided by h star of u comma v into h of u comma v plus s eta of u comma v divided by s f of u comma v into g of u comma v. Again you simplify, will get equation number 5, 1 by h of u comma v plus s eta of u comma v divided by s f of u comma v into h star of u comma v into g of u comma v. Here k, variable k, is nothing but figure of merit. It is the ratio of noise power to signal power. So equation number 6 is the restored image. Equation number 6 represent restored image in frequency domain, that is g of u comma v divided by h of u comma v plus k into h star of u comma v. Take a Wiener filter function in frequency domain, w of u comma v equal to h star of u comma v into hf of u comma v divided by h of u comma v whole square into hf of u comma v plus s eta of u comma v. Taken the case 1, if there is no noise, noise power is 0. Substitute noise power s heat of u comma v value equal to 0. That time what you will get f w of u comma v value is equal to h star of u comma v divided by h star of u comma v into h of u comma v. H star of u comma v get cancelled. You will get 1 by h of u comma v. This function, a Wiener filter function, reduces to pseudo inverse filtering process. If there is no blur, that time h of u comma v value equal to 1. Substitute case 2, we have to substitute h of u comma v value equal to 1 in the equation. So what you will get, w of u comma v equal to h star of u comma v into hf of u comma v divided by h of u comma v whole square hf of u comma v plus s heat of u comma v, and simplify, you will get h star of u comma v divided by h star of u comma v into hf of h of u comma v plus s heat of u comma v divided by sf of u comma v. So h star of u comma v, substitute h of u comma v value equal to 0, and this function nearly equal to 1 by 1 plus k. H star of h of u value equal to 1, then h star of u comma value also 1. So we'll get a w of u comma v equal to 1 by 1 plus s heat of u comma v divided by sf of u comma v, which is equal to 1 by 1 plus k, where k is the figure of merit. So w of u comma v equal to 1 by 1 plus k, substitute, you will get w of u comma v equal to sf of u comma v divided by sf of u comma v plus s heat of u comma v. That is w of u comma v equal to snr divided by snr plus 1. So we know that snr nothing but signal to noise ratio. So if signal to noise ratio value greater than 1 in the denominator side, that time w of u comma v value equal to 1. If snr value taken very less compared to 1, that time w of u comma v value nearly equal to snr value. So if snr value is very high in low spatial frequency, snr value is low in high spatial frequency, that time w of u comma v can be implemented with low pass filtering process. Very important points. SNR value is very high that time in a low spatial frequencies, and SNR value is low in high spatial frequency. That time W of u comma v can be implemented with low pass filtering process, smoothing filter. So Wiener filter more robust to noise, and it also preserve the high frequency details when SNR value is low. Constraint least square restoration model. So in Wiener filter, power spectrum of the degraded image and noise must be known. So for the, although a constant estimate is sometimes useful, but it is always not suitable. So constraint least square filtering just to recover the mean and variance of the noise. So equation number 1. From equation number 1, noise is given by G minus HF. Problem statement, they have given a minimum criteria condition C equal to double summation del square of f of x comma y subjected to the constraint G minus h f cap whole square is equal to eta square. Equation number 2, where W transpose W is the Euclidean vector form, f cap is the estimation of undegraded image, del square f we already seen in the second third unit, Laplacian operator. Problem we have taken, constraint is given, condition is given, we are going to give the solution to the problem. The frequency domain solution to this optimized problem is given by f cap of u comma v equal to h star of u comma v divided by h of u comma v whole square plus gamma into p of u comma v whole square. Equation number 3. Equation number 4, noise eta square is equal to g minus h f cap whole square equation number 4. So one approach to find the value gamma value residual vector R is defined as R equal to G equal to HF cap, equation number 5. Another approach to find the value of gamma in a Newton-Raphson algorithm. So we know that residual vector is R equal to G minus H cap whole square, F cap, equation number 6. Then R square is equal to double summation R square of X comma Y. This is the first one is the original image. Second image is a noisy image. Third is a output of the pseudo inverse filter. Fourth image is a output of the Wiener filter. Thank you.